Guys, I know I haven't been posting. It's been a year since I posted a video, so yeah, I'm gonna start posting on my channel more often. But yeah, I will start posting more often. I'm sorry, I completely forgot about my channel. You can obviously see that I'm in my mom's new classroom. And later I will do a house tour. But for now, yes, we moved. So, my last video was an RC card video at our old house.
Hi guys.
Hi
guys.
That's the Volvin Sephora.
Hi.
It's right here.
Hi.
Alright. I'll see y'all guys later whenever I make the house tour. Bye.
Maxie, can you recite it?